How to update Webull application. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to update Webull application. So let's jump to the process. First, open your App Store if you are using iOS. For an Android, open your Google Play Store. Here I am going on with Google Play Store. Now here, tap on the search icon present at the bottom right corner. After this, tap on the search bar present at the top. Now type in Webull. After this, tap on the search icon present on your keyboard. Now here you can see Webull stock quotes and news option. Tap on it. Now if you haven't updated your Webull application, you'll be able to find update option instead of open. Simply tap on update option. Now wait for a few seconds till your application gets updated. Once it's done, you'll be able to find open option. Now you can simply tap on open option to open your Webull application. And this is how you update Webull application. Hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like our content, make sure you like, comment and share. Thank you.